Okay, yeah, picture my woman again. It's always me and my woman here. Picture my woman. You see me? Can you see me good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's for everybody on YouTube. This is the part of our bathroom project. I didn't make a video before. I did all this work here, but anyways, I'm just going to brief everybody real quick what's going on here. This is the new floor we're putting down. This floor here had a big hole into the commode here. Went clear over to the bathtub to about where my foot's at, wasn't it? Big hole. There was a big hole over here, right in there. There's a big hole like from here back to the wall, and then right in there. There's a big hole there. Okay, we got to put some more of the concrete backing board and some plywood against that bathtub so we can tile it. Well, so we did do this floor, put the commode back in. We got a picture. Me video our sink. Look out, Patrick. Here, I need to video the sink that's going in. This is the sink that's going to go in. Glass bowl. Here's the cabinet. But that's all we can get it at right now. Okay. Oops, sorry. And we're going to go and let's see here. So we got everything masked off here. We're going to paint this thing. I don't know what color you call it. It's a brown, but I'm just going to get videos so everybody can see it. The paint was spilled on the side of the can. That's what it's going to be. Well, I guess I'm going to stop right here. Then we will go ahead and we will get this thing painted. Then we'll come back with another video after the paint job. Pray it turns out good. Then we'll come back with another video when we get all the shelving in and the sink in and everything. And oh, let's brief it up real quick. Everybody knows this is already in the video. These drain lines, the water lines are going to be taken out and run back and come out to the wall for that new sink. Let's go ahead and take this off. But we'll take and do that, and we'll put new trim everything on the floors. So we'll take this piece of tile. We have got more tile, right, honey? Right? We do. We have more tile.
Yeah.
The same kind. Okay, well, this piece of tile here, and we'll try to take it back out. Take this one piece back up so I can put a full tile in there and cover all this over. Well, I guess we'll stop right there. And we'll get started on it. I'll make another video when we're done. Thank you all, and goodbye.